Hello and welcome to the video for worksheet AF number 9. Make sure you're on the right video or right worksheet, and let's go ahead and get started. So first thing I want you to do is notice up at the top of your worksheet it says distance equals rate and time, or D equals R. Just get rid of it. Ignore it, get out of here. I don't care. This formula is valuable in a lot of things in math. It's not that valuable on the test you guys are going to be taking pretty soon. So let's just get rid of that and stick with what we've already been learning for like 3 videos now. Find the scale, set up the ratio, solve. How do we do that? This is how. Alright, an airplane flies 450 miles in 3 hours. What is the average speed of the airplane in miles per hour? This sounds like a scary problem, but if you're this far into the class, you know how to do this. I almost probably don't need to teach some of you this because you're looking at it and go, oh yeah. For those of you who haven't, find the scale. The scale, 450 miles in 3 hours. That's the scale. You might think like, wait, miles and hours, that's not the same thing as like inches and feet. Doesn't matter. You've got a unit of measurement and a unit of measurement. Even if they don't normally go together, it's 2 different units of measurement, and that's what we've been working with for now 4 videos, is units of measurement and making ratios out of them. It doesn't matter if you think they make sense or not. There's only miles and hours. There's no other units of measurement, so let's go ahead and solve. There's the scale, so we can move on. Set up the ratio. We got 450 miles, and then we've got 3 hours. And let's see, now we're going into the problem, and we've got miles per hour. Now you might be thinking like, wait a minute, there's no number. Think about it, miles per hour, per 1 hour. Ninja ones, ratios are in here. They are ninjas, they're brothers of the Ninja 1. There's a Ninja 1 right there. When you see per hour, that means per 1 hour, right? That means you can go 60 miles in 1 hour. You can go, if you're going 60 miles per hour. So, 1 hour, and, well, we don't know the miles. The miles you can't assume 1, 2, 132. And we've got our ratio. Solve as normal. So multiply 3x equals 450, and then divide by 3, x is going to equal 450 divided by 3, so 3 can go into 4 one time, 1, bring down the 5, 15, 5, and then 0. I'm going through this fast because we've already practicing this a lot. So we know that we can go 150 miles. They want miles per hour. So in case on the test it decides to get tricky on you or not, just remember it's 150 miles per hour. (150/1), 150 miles per hour. Per is like that division symbol. I know that's not in the code that we did a few videos back, the vocabulary, but it is. It's just that you'll only see it in these kind of problems. That's why it's not on the vocabulary list. But for this, just know that per kind of means division. Miles divided by hours. Alright, we got one other problem to work through, and some of you might be thinking, why? You just taught me how. So let's just do a quick review. A water pump can pump out 8 gallons of water per minute. Okay, gallons and minutes might seem weird to you. It doesn't matter. We've got 2 units of measurement. Let's go ahead and find the scale. There's the scale. Set up the ratio. So 8 gallons for each minute. Ninja 1 showing up again. 8 gallons per each minute. Okay, let's go ahead and stay consistent before I read the rest of problems. Read the rest of the problems. Sound like Borat there. And minute. So, how long will it take to empty 264 gallons? Well, I don't know. So there's an X. There's your problem. Now we filled in the left. I kind of went through this fast because this is the 4th video now on this. Fill in the right with the problem, solve in minutes. Okay, so we multiply 264, multiply 8x, and then we're going to go 264 divide by 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. So 2 and 4, we're bringing that down, and so 3 again, and then we're evened out, so 33 minutes. This sounds like, oh man, this is a ridiculously crazy math problem, but it really isn't. Look how few steps there were, as opposed to how this looks like. At this rate, how long will it take to empty 264 gallons? Well, as long as you can figure out the scale, you can set up a ratio and solve it pretty fast, even without a calculator. And in the real world, when you can use a calculator, and you should, it's even quicker. Go ahead and get started on the practice problems. Thank you.